Hey guys, Josh Gibbons here. Welcome back to a new video. So if you're new to the page, thank you so much for clicking on this video and coming along to watch my journey. So I'm 16 years old. I want to be freaking successful. I'm gonna master my life in all the 7 areas, and Amazon FBA is the vehicle that is kicking off my wealth part of life. So an update today is I have created my Amazon Seller Central professional account. So over on the right hand side here, you can see minus £30. That is how much it is every single month, which is an absolute bargain compared to how much you'll be selling. So, let's just go through it. Yeah, so leading up this week, I've obviously been talking with my final supplier. After I had messaged the other 2 that I was talking with, to say, sorry, thanks for your time, I've gone with this supplier. They kind of, based on what they replied, one was actually amazingly helpful, and I do regret probably not giving them a shot at working with me because, the manufacturer was so nice and who I spoke to, always trying to help me. And then the other one was kind of rude. So they were like, why don't you want to work with us? Why did you get a sample if you didn't want to work with us? So it was a good thing I didn't work with them. So after I did that, I messaged back the supplier clarifying all of the terms. So literally I listed out every single thing we'd discussed to make sure that this was right. I was gonna go into it knowing what all the specification were. So after that, they replied saying, that's perfect. And if you watch my other video about me choosing my main supplier, you'll know that I asked them for the custom packaging template. I asked them to clarify the weight and the dimensions of the cartons and stuff for the shipping plan. We'll get to that in we'll get to that later on this video. So ever since then, I have made my logo. I sent them the PDF and AI files of the logo. That's what you'll have to do as well. I also have designed all of the packaging. It took me about 2 or 3 days on and off to design the packaging, and I'm really happy with how it looks. So I printed it out and kind of did my best to create a visualization of what it would look like against the product, and I'm just super happy. I think it's gonna definitely help my listing, being a designer. So then I sent them the PDF file of the packaging, and they again sent it back, and they also send you a picture of a mock-up with your logo on the product. They should do anyway for your clarification. All was well, so it looked great. And now I've been trying to do my shipping plan. So like I said, before you go ahead, so I can't order or put a deposit down yet before we know where we're going to be shipping the order to. And to know where that is, which Amazon warehouse that is, you need to create a shipping plan through Seller Central. So I've got my seller account open now, and that went smoother than I thought. Before I even started FBA, you'll know, like back in the day, I made a video called issues for under 18s in Amazon FBA, and one of them was like, do I need to use a credit card? So a debit card with the business bank was totally fine, like nothing happened there. So that was one of my biggest worries out of the way in like 2 seconds. And then I went, so the first thing you'll do when you've got your Seller Central account is, and you must have a barcode as well, go to inventory, manage inventory. You want to add a product, and then you want to put in the UAN code for that you just got from the barcode, and this will be for your product. This is how you'll get the FN SKU from Amazon. So once you've done that, you can type in a few details like name and price, create like a draft product listing, and that is how you're going to send the inventory and do the shipping plan. So for me, when I went to do that, I realized my product is on the list of potentially dangerous goods. Now, I know it's not a dangerous good, it's just on the list in case, because Amazon are super secure with their safety. They're super good with all of that stuff. So now what I've had to do is upload an MSDS form to the Amazon Seller Central, and I'm not 100% sure. I spoke to someone on the phone about it. They sent me a link to upload so all the MSDS is the safety data sheet. I uploaded that, and I should be okay now. I should be waiting on like a confirmation to go ahead with the product. So that's how it's gone for me. I obviously can't do the shipping plan and get the address or the Amazon barcode yet to send to the supplier, because I'm waiting on this hazmat review kind of dangerous goods thing. Once it's all done though, once I've got over this little hurdle, I will be able to order the product. So it's taken I didn't account for this. I didn't kind of twig on that I might have to do this. However, it's happening. So, saying that, I would love to know if kind of you're in a similar place to me in the Amazon process, or if you need any help at all. I'm always getting like DMs on Instagram and emails from you guys, which is super awesome. I'm glad you're liking the content and want to get help further from me. So other than that, yeah, I'll keep you updated with how the hazmat review goes, how the me uploading the MSDS file goes, the safety data sheet, and we'll see what happens from here. Really, I'm really excited just to get all of this over with and order the product and start working on my listing. So then I'll be looking at some photography studios, calling them up, and planning out how my listing is gonna look. So I hope you enjoyed, guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. It's amazing that you're watching this. So I will see you all in the next video. Fingers crossed we get it resolved, guys. Alright, I'll see you later.